Welcome to the new daily report on the gold against US dollar on the daily time frame. If we take a look from the yesterday, what has happened on the market, we can see that the price has formed a bearish candle that has took from the resistance 2329.13 down to 2299.00, where the price has touched and the price did not close below this support line. We can see that for this week, today is a Friday, we can see that for the last 3 days, starting from the yesterday, the price has started to manage to rise in value, and we can see that the price has reached the resistance level at 2329.13, which was expected, and it was analyzed each day. You can see the previous analysis, and it was expected that the price will bounce back down from this resistance down to this support. We can see how this price has behaved, where the yesterday candle has completely encompassed these two candles' body. We can see that there was a strong selling pressure right here at this resistance level. Now the price is stopped right here at this support level. It could not manage to close below the day, which means the support here, the demand zone where the buys are, is pretty strong, and the sellers who have entered here into the trade have exited their trades right here at this support level. Now if we take a look on the weekly time frame, we can see how this looks. The price has returned all the way back up, all to this resistance, and it has bounced back down. So we'll see how this week closes, because the previous week it was a bearish week where the price has closed below the very important support level, which was indicating further decline down, but the price has returned back up, just confirming the previous support. We can see that here as a resistance, and now also the price is testing this previous support, now acting as a resistance. Now we can see during this week is still active, still open, and it is 1 day more until this week closes. We can see there is a probability that the price reverses back all the way back up above 2299.00, this support level, this resistance level, sorry, and it's now acting as a support. If the price manages to stay above, this will be, for this weekly time frame, it will be some kind of a failed bearish breakout, which will indicate further decline, further rise in price. But this is something that I will analyze tomorrow when the week closes. But for now, for the daily, I can show you what has been done yesterday. On the 4-hour time frame and the 1-hour time frame, I'm sharing these details inside the Telegram group with the traders, so you can see how it was yesterday. Yesterday I have pointed that there is a possibility that the price will move down if the price goes below certain price level, and it is written here and close below 2307.67, where the next target is 2302, which has been reached because this is the support level. Now, based on this one, we can see what has happened on the 1-hour time frame and the 4-hour time frame. There was also a bullish possibilities, where you can see that the price is making a bullish breakout, whereas there's a possibility that the price will go to the higher price levels. Now, these details has been shared with the traders inside the Telegram group whenever there is a trading opportunity. Now, if we go for the 4-hour time frame, we can see that we have current status, what is the status and what are the levels, very important. And on the 1-hour time frame, it is also visible the smallest time frame and the small support and resistance levels and supply demand zones around these price levels. So this is something shared inside Telegram with the traders, what is expected, what we can see, what will happen around this resistance level, around this support level, and where is the next target. On the daily time frame, we can see that the price has bounced currently from this support level. Where it will go during this day, will it return back down, confirming this previous bearish breakout on the weekly time frame? This is something that we'll see during the day, which will also make next week targets, because if the breakout happens, there's probability that the price will move even more down. But if the price stays between these two price levels moving sideways, it is also possible to see the price doing that. And for that, everything will be visible on the lower time frame, like 4-hour time frame and the 1-hour time frame, which will be shared inside Telegram groups. So if you are day trading, you are looking for support and resistance levels, which are very important, and when the price makes a breakout, where the price could go, in which direction, this will be shared inside the Telegram group, where the traders also can leave a comment, make the comment what they think about, and also if they have any questions. Here inside the Telegram group, I also share the details with some of these video lessons where I share the details about the breakout, or there is any other questions from the traders they would like to learn. I share that with them so they can understand what I am doing and also how to make the analysis. If you would like also to join, feel free to join. The link will be below in the description. So this is all for this daily analysis. We will see how the price behaves on the small time frames, but remember, today is a Friday. Usually Friday is a day when there are market movements which are not in line with the trading strategy, because traders get out from their trades, which usually triggers the move in the opposite direction than it was meant. But there is also possibility that the price behaves according to the technical analysis I made, and you can see that everything inside the Telegram group, all the details and comments. This is all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.